True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, welcome back to the channel. So my location is in Spalding's Clarendon. So we're taking a journey today. Very long journey. We're heading to Mancheter, also into St. Elizabeth. So guys, enjoy the tour with Fire Reid, your tour guide. This is a channel you'll learn a lot about Jamaica, different places, when to go, where to go. So enjoy the ride. So yes, my people, so when you come on a stoplight you have to be careful because a lot of persons they misuse a stoplight here, so you have to be very careful. So always observe the stoplight here for me, please. Come on, so we're going through the stoplight now on green, so we're on the go. I would say it's not a busy day today in Spalding, but as you can see, a few people out today doing some shopping, doing their business. So big up anyone I watch from yard and abroad, big up yourself, yeah man. So always remember to like up the video if you learn something about Jamaica, and also share. So if you want to get new content every day upload, just click the all icon bell, so as soon as I upload a video you will be notified. So we're heading to Mancheter, also to St. Elizabeth, so it's gonna be a journey. So I'm not gonna drive at a regular speed today, so guys just keep on watching. This is where you would know about, see different areas in Spalding's, go through Mancheter, also to St. Elizabeth, our beautiful island Jamaica, land we love. Hope everyone keeping safe. I know a lot of persons, a lot of people want to come back to Jamaica, miss home. So I'm taking the time out to show you how beautiful Jamaica. So always like up the video for me please, so we can get to reach out to many more people. So we're now in the Winston area. So if you make a right turn, that would take you all to Christiana. Yeah man, so you make the left turn, go down Penn Hill. Yeah man, a lot of person heard about that hill, Penn Hill in Mancheter. And also on Penn Hill, I think you have some nice jerk center on Penn Hill. So you gotta be careful when you drive out a little section, you have to look out on the eyes. Because a lot of people when they come from up the hill, from Christiana side, full speed ahead, so you have to be very careful. Yeah man, so on the left here now we have the jerk center, that is Father Bull Jerk Center. Yeah man, getting the jerk pork and jerk chicken. We are now in the Mispa area in Manchester, so on your right you have the Mispa Primary School. What a nice view, nice weather today in Manchester. Sweet, sweet Jamaica land we love. So we're heading towards Kirkvine. We'll make a turn in the Kirkvine area which take us into Kendall, Winston Jones Highway. That's the journey we are going today. So welcome to Kirkvine, guys. On your left you have the Kirkvine Sports Complex. We made the right turn will take us all to Pick a Pepper Factory. We have a pepper factory in Manchester. A lot of persons get them sauce from this pepper factory on your right. So we're gonna make a left turn, will take us where we go to Kendall campus. So we're gonna take the left turn. Sorry about that, guys, the left turn. So you know in Kendall you have a police station in Kendall also. So if you make the right turn, it will take you all to Kendall campus, heading towards the police station in Kendall. So if you run into some difficulty in a Kendall area, you can ask police for some assistance in that area. So we are heading towards the Winston Jones Highway. So yes guys, if you make we're now gonna head on to Winston Jones Highway. If you make the left turn, will take us back to Williamsfield area, can take you back to Porus. Also can take you back to Royal Flat, Kingston, them places. So we're gonna make the right turn. So we're gonna head on Winston Jones Highway, which take us to New Green roundabout and also to the Greenvale roundabout. Cool Mandeville, Manchester guys. Yeah man, just like up the video free of cost. Just showing around Jamaica, how to get around Jamaica. Cause people overseas hear about some different areas, never get the chance to see how the area look before them visit. So this is where you can see what's taking place in some area. You can see the scenery, what to expect when you're coming to a different area in Jamaica. So this is a very nice channel if you love Jamaica and want to know about Jamaica guys. So thank you. So we're heading towards the New Green roundabout. Yeah, on the roundabout here you can get on different types of fruits. Yeah man, so you always can check in that area in Manchester, Greenvale roundabout. All different types of fruits in that area, so you need to check it out. So the first exit will take you all to Mandeville town. And the second exit will keep you on to Winston Jones, will take you right into Greenvale roundabout. And if you take the third exit, will take you to Mile Gully. So we are taking the second exit. So we are still on the Winston Jones Highway. Taking the left turn will take you all towards Avenue. A lot of persons forget the Wards Avenue area in Mandeville, Manchester. It can also take you to Mandeville Golf Club. Yeah man, see on the left side I see the fruit guy there. The fruits guy. Yeah man, if you want to jackfruit, pineapple, light tree, star fruit, star apple. Every one of them fruit you can find right at that guy right there. So we're now on the Greenvale roundabout. So we're gonna take the second exit. So if you take the first exit, it will take you right back to Mandeville Town Megamart area. So we're taking the second exit, will take us all to Wagon, Kingsland, right into Spur Tree, Manchester. And a lot of persons hear about Spur Tree, so a lot of accidents always take place on Spur Tree. A lot of trucks, big unit, get out of control and run off over them hill there. Yeah man, so sometimes person says it's not a dangerous road, but some of the time coming from on top of the hill, the truck can develop mechanical problem and it can be very dangerous for other road users. So we gotta be very careful on that hill, on the Spur Tree Hill. We gotta be very careful. So we're in the Wagon Wheel area, guys. So you know a lot of car mart in Mandeville. A lot of car marts in Mandeville. You can get your new car. So on your right, you have the Boj Car Mart. So if you want to know car, you can check over there. So very reasonable price. You man, so you can check out the car mart. Them people. Very nice car mart in that area. Very reasonable also. So we are now in the Kingsland area. So in the Kingsland area, you have a Sutherland call center, and also you have a car mart, many car mart in Kingsland area, and also a gas station. And at the gas station there you can get your breakfast, lunch and dinner. For the breakfast they serve liver, ackee and saltfish, salt mackerel and fried dumpling and cooked food. Yeah man, if you want on a roast chicken for the lunch or dinner, you can check out the gas station at Kingsland. And also you have an auto parts place in Kingsland, them call it. Don't remember the name right now, but you have an auto parts place in Kingsland. And you can see the car mart up on the hill. There's a very nice car mart also. So we are heading towards Spur Tree. Yeah man, I know so you have Meikle's Black Factory. After you pass Meikle's Black Factory, you have the curry goat shop in Manchester. Get your curry goat, managed water, fried chicken, one of the best curry goat in the area. So you need to check out the curry goat shop if you not come from Mandeville to Santa Cruz, and also from Santa Cruz to Mandeville, them place. If you not go Kingston to get to know curry goat on the way. So on your right, this is where you have the Meikle's Black Factory. The turn off there will take you all to Meikle's Black Factory. So we are head towards the curry goat place, and I think it's Clarendon curry goat place, one stop. Open from Monday to Sunday. Yeah man, so if you're a curry goat and you want some curry goat on the Sunday, curry goat lover, and you want it on the Sunday, you need to check out Clarendon curry goat place. You know, if you're feeling something different, just take a drive out on a Sunday. Go to Clarendon curry goat cook shop on your left. Big up yourself, Clarendon. Keep on doing the good work you're doing. One love and one heart. So welcome to Spur Tree, guys. Yeah man, so there's Spur Tree now in Manchester. There you can get a nice view over into St. Elizabeth. If you make a stop, you can get a nice view over into St. Elizabeth in the Alpart area. So when you're driving on Spur Tree Hill, you gotta be very careful because you have a lot of mechanical problem happen on the hill. And when the truck them get over the hill here, other road users coming up the hill, that is a big problem for the other road users. So we gotta be very careful. Yeah man, as you can see, big unit are come up the hill. Coming up the hill with the big unit is not a problem, but going down the hill always be a problem. So to be safe and always driving low gear, slippery when wet, so be careful guys. Yeah man, I know Jamaican tour guide that tell me how to navigate through Spur Tree Hill. Always remember to like up the video. Like up the video for me please, free of cost. Just give it a big thumbs up guys. One love and one heart. Jamaica sweet. So we're very close to the all season jerk center. On your left we have the all season jerk center. That's where you can get your jerk pork and jerk chicken. And coming up we have a very steep, I would say, corner or bend. Yeah man, it's a very steep corner. This is where the truck them always go over there. Yeah man, because a corner is very hard to navigate, so be careful. Yeah, because you could be driving, rain just fall, and you just navigate in that area and the car can turn the opposite direction. So just be careful guys. So we're having a bit of traffic today, nice weather in Manchester, heading towards Gutters. Yeah man, so you know, so the Gutters would be in St. Elizabeth. So keep on watching guys. One love again. So this is the corner I'm talking about, my people. Yeah man, you see them two wreckers there? Right now they're over there taking out a big unit, run out from up at the hill. If you watch the video, trust me man, it's a very, yeah man, yeah, trust me, it's just touching. But some other road users was coming up and they missed them by an inch. So you gotta be very careful guys. Yeah man, I tell about the hill here. Yeah man, so them just have an accident over the corner there. So yeah man, I'm telling about the corn soap and Spur Tree Hill on your left here, so yeah man, you can get your corn soup, your corn and also your peanut porridge. So yeah man, so check out them places the same way. All of the people that we are traveling to Jamaica from different country. Even people in Jamaica right now who watch a video and know when they come to Manchester side where to stop. And below also the corn guy, yeah man, you have a lady who selling fruits. Lady who selling fruits so you can get jelly water, banana, plantain, pineapple, everything you want you can stop. Right to that lady up on the right. Yeah man, so see the stall over there, so yeah man, you can get coconut water and thing right here. Same way. So guys, we are now leaving Spur Tree Hill. So welcome to Gutters in St. Elizabeth. We are now in the bread basket. We are now in St. Elizabeth. When I talk about the bread basket, you can get everything here in St. Elizabeth. You have everything at St. Elizabeth. Having a different rivers, beach, yeah man, St. Elizabeth. When I talk about the ground food them. On the south side of St. Elizabeth, yeah man, check out them place there. Big up all the St. Elizabeth Massive, Mancheter, Clarendon, everybody in Jamaica. All of my fans that me watch, everybody will just tune into the channel. Big up on yourself stopping by, you know. One love me people, enjoy the tour with Fire Reid. So we're now in the Pepper area, and in Pepper, you know, you have a dairy farm in Pepper. So welcome to Pepper, guys. Welcome to Pepper. Yeah, man, St. Elizabeth today. When you talk about St. Elizabeth, you talk about everything. You can get the best steam fish over the Little Ochi area as well in place there. When you go to Treasure Beach, them side there, think about Lashings, 77 West, Jack Spratt. Very nice area also. Yeah, man, St. Elizabeth. No parish nice like St. Elizabeth, guys. Well, for Fire Reid, you know, Fire Reid love St. Elizabeth and he love Jamaica also, because I show no Wagon in a one positive way. Now, sometimes I get a lot of negative comments, but the negative comments only make me stronger. Watching them drive them people. You see them drive there, so now have to be careful on the road, because you see, truck man kind of pull over. You see the bad turn when a guy make, so the truck man have to pull off of the road. So you have to look out for them people there on the road, guys. Look out for them. Look out for them people, them I tell you now. In the Goshen area, they have a new housing development in the Goshen area, so I'm gonna make a little stop by right at that area just to give you a look view at the front section of the property. Yeah, man, so as you can see, so if we now pass through that area in the Goshen area, we can stop and just take a look. It's not really take nothing out of you guys to just stop and look over there, because you never can tell one day you want to live in this area. So you all can take a look. So let's go on our journey again in our beautiful parish of St. Elizabeth. So thank you guys for watching the channel, True Jamaican Vibes Fire Reid. So we are now at our destination, which is in Goshen. So you all have a wonderful day. One love.